Kelly Barlow Creations, Crafting on a Budget. If you're new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. So what do I have going on for today? Today I am bringing to you a DIY Dollar Tree farmhouse planter box. I will be using this planter box for artificial flowers. I would definitely say that this is not something that you could put real flowers and soil in unless it's potted, but it is definitely the perfect farmhouse piece to add to the center of a table that you can switch your flowers out of seasonally. So let's jump to it and let me show you what all I picked up from the Dollar Tree for this farmhouse planter box.
For this planter box, I picked up 4 of these boxed frames from the Dollar Tree, 4 bunches of these spring flowers that I found at Walmart for 97 cents. I'll also be using this Waverly chalk paint in the color of ivory, and this black flat spray paint that you can find at Walmart for 97 cents. For this project, I'll be using Aleene's Tacky Glue. This is a glue that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I've had a lot of requests to do projects using an alternative to E6000. I'm going to start off by removing the backing and the glass from all 4 of the frames. Using the Aleene's Tacky Glue, I'm going to place the glue on the back edge of the frame, just like I'm doing here. And I'm doing this because of the way that I will be placing the frames together to make this planter box. And I'm going to do this to the other 2 frames as well. Once I've got all the frames glued together, I'll be using some blue painter's tape because it's what I have on hand to hold the frames together till the glue dries. I'm going to set this aside, let the glue dry, and I'll meet you back here once it's dried. Now I'm going to take a piece of cardboard. This is a piece of cardboard that I had lying around from an Amazon box. I'm going to place my planter box on top of it because this is going to be the base of this planter box. I'm going to trace the outside of the box and just simply cut the cardboard. When I cut it, I'm going to cut it a bit smaller because I don't want the edges of the cardboard to show on the outside of the planter box. And I will be using the tacky glue to adhere this to the bottom of this planter box. Once the planter box is dry, I can remove the blue painter's tape, and I will be spray painting this planter box with this black flat spray paint that you can get from Walmart for 97 cents. Okay, so this next step I've got to show you on another frame that I just went and picked up from the Dollar Tree and painted because my lovely camera turned off and this whole next step was not recorded. Using Waverly's chalk paint in the color of ivory and a dry paintbrush, I'm going to put a very minimal amount of the paint on my brush. Then very lightly, I'm going to brush over the top of the frame. I'm not looking for this to be perfect. I'm not looking for it to be even. The more uneven, the better it's going to look. Don't worry about the paintbrush strokes because we're going to take care of that in a minute. Now that my planter box is painted and dried, I'll be using a real fine grade sandpaper to sand down the Waverly chalk paint that we just applied to this. By doing this, it's going to give it that clouded, soft look, and if there are any brush strokes, it will take those away. We're not looking to sand off much of the paint or to go through the paint. We're just looking to soften it up a bit. I am just about done with this project, so let's wrap it up. I will be replacing the backings to the frames, and I will be adding 4 pictures that I chose. These are older pictures of Allie and I at a cherry orchard because this was what I had on hand. And the fun thing about this project is you can so easily change out the flowers and the pictures. And this is what you should be left with. Using this dry brush technique when painting the outside of this planter box, it really gives you that wood textured look. and that was the look that I was looking for. Using these spring flowers that I picked up from Walmart for 97 cents, I'm just gonna place them right inside of the planter box. I'm not even gonna use floral foam because it'll make it just that much easier to change out the flowers according to the seasons and the pictures. And there you have it, my version of a DIY farmhouse flower planter box. I love the way this turned out, and I love that you can personalize it using photos that you can interchange whenever you'd like. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget, if I've inspired you to make one of my projects, snap a quick picture, send it to me on either Facebook or Instagram, because I love seeing all of your creations and I can feature them in an upcoming video.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 2,000 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget. And bye for now, everybody.